Yeah, so before MA, I was actually in my last year of college. I was just about to graduate. I was already placed in a very reputed company. And I was of this mindset that even though I was not sure of what I exactly wanted to do in my work, and if that company or the role that I was in even catered to that, I was of this mindset that I will work there for a while and go for my masters, then work for some more time, and then start something of my own. So I've always had this thought of starting something of my own, but I didn't know what exactly I wanted to do. And I didn't know the fact that I could have done it then and there, and I didn't have to wait for all of these years, or I didn't have to make a plan of waiting all of these years and then doing something that I liked. So, including the testimonial clients and the clients for whom I worked for very small works, I worked for 16 clients until now, and I've generated a revenue of 10,800 USD in the last 10 months. So yeah, professionally, my life has taken a completely different turn ever since I joined MA, because I didn't know that this was a thing that I always wanted to do, and MA showed me that. MA gave me the skill, the mindset, and showed me the way to implement that as well, which I will always appreciate. And the fact that I'm able to make a living during this pandemic, where a lot of people are just losing their jobs, I am so grateful for being able to do that, and that is just only possible because of MA. And not only that, MA has been the foundation for me. It's basically, I think, for a lot of people in MA, it's basically been the eye opener to this whole new world of opportunities, basically. So we didn't know that we could, make a living, or do our own work, or do our own business, and make a good living out of it by working with really good clients and really good businesses, and helping them grow and all of that. And to this level, nobody knew that. So MA has been kind of an eye opener for me in that case, and it's basically introduced me to this whole new world. Which I'll always appreciate, because I see people around me struggling so much with their jobs, which they don't like, and they're very much underpaid for, and they're overworking and all of that. And when I see that, when I see what I do in my job, it's totally surreal what I get to do. So MA is the sole reason why I got into this in the first place, and the reason why I have the confidence to ask people to pay me for my service, because I have some proper training from MA, and I'll always appreciate that in terms of professional changes. And in terms of my personal life, oh my god, I can't explain the kind of growth that I've had over these months, because I have gone through a roller coaster ride of wins and failures and all of that, mindset mistakes and all. I've had a severe problem of imposter syndrome in certain months, and the reason why I was able to overcome that, one of the few people who helped me overcome that was definitely Ruta, because I would think like Ruta has been very vocal about her own journey, her own setbacks and all of that. And I was thinking, if Ruta can make the mistake, like, there is no problem that I'm also making mistakes, or I'm also going through setbacks, or all of these downhills of my journey. So I realized that this is all part of this journey, and facing all of this just makes me stronger and makes me ready for the next level. And it was kind of difficult getting out of those phases, but I wouldn't have it any other way, because right now I'm able to face those kind of challenges without having to invest much time or effort into it. Other than that, I've grown so much as a person. A lot of people, my parents, my friends, all of them tell me that I've grown so much as a person, in terms of, because I'm handling all of my work and answering to myself, making my own schedule, trying to be disciplined myself and all of that. So because of the kind of stories that I see inside MA, of course the mindset module, and Ruta's story, of course, all of this has inspired me to make a proper life of my own, and make my life scheduled and disciplined and all of that. And the kind of personal growth, the amount of time that I've invested in my own personal growth after I've joined MA is tremendous. And MA has definitely triggered that kind of development and those kind of goals for me. So professionally and personally, it's been a huge year for me in my life, and the whole credit goes to MA. For me, one of the most special achievements that I have from MA would be the kind of mindset that I've learned from it. So for basically, MA has taught me to aim for consistent progressive growth, and not be disheartened if I don't get things right the first time or the second time or the third time, and just keep going at it, because the process and the failures and the setback is going to teach me a lot more than if I got it right in the first time. So basically, I think this is useful not just for your my personal or business life, or my professional life, but it can be definitely used for my personal life, and I do use that as well. So MA has taught me a lot about that, about discipline being more important than motivation and all of that. So yeah, mindset has been one of the most important takeaways for me from MA. And something else, yeah, I have a very special achievement that is going to happen because of MA. I am launching my own digital marketing agency. I mean, we have been working as an agency for a while, but we're about to do our official social media launch in a few days. So I'm really excited about that. And so I have a team that I work with, and having a place where I am able to share ideas, to brainstorm, to create new, unique campaigns, to work with people and to help them grow. At this point, I never imagined I'd be able to do this at this point in my life. So for that, the kind of confidence that helped me do that is completely from MA. So I'd always appreciate that. And to talk about a very specific achievement, or a very special incident from the last year, was that my parents actually celebrated their 25th anniversary last year, and I was able to take them and a lot of our family, the whole extended family, to a resort and have a huge celebration there. And I was able to gift that to my parents for their celebration, and I was able to do that because of how I was financially independent, because of the work that I've done after I joined MA. So that is also one more thing that I value a lot. Financial independence. The financial independence that MA has helped me give myself, and that has made me so much more confident, and that's very special to me. So yeah, that's one of my most important or most special takeaways from MA. So for me, one of the most important reasons why I decided to join MA was I imagined the kind of freedom and control over my life that it would give me, and that's exactly what it has given me. So if you're a person who wants that kind of freedom or control over your life, if you want to be your own boss, this is the best place that you can start, and this is the best place that you should be in. Because why? Because it's not just any other course. I tell this to a lot of people. A lot of courses try to teach you skills and all of that, but MA goes beyond all that level, because it not only teaches you skills, but it teaches you how to implement them and how to find people who you can turn into paid customers, and actually go the entire way in growing your business, and not just teaching you the how-tos of the skill. So that's why it's very important. That's why it's a whole all-rounded, well-rounded course that will help you get started and get stable in this whole world of freelancing. So whatever the block is that is preventing you right now from joining MA, I'm sure that there's a solution for it. If it's money, I had the same problem too. I borrowed from my grandparents to join this course. So borrow it from someone and have the kind of confidence in yourself that you will be able to repay them, which is what I did as well. I was able to do that in the first month of joining MA. If it's about time, I see a lot of people inside the group, people who are working full-time jobs, people who have babies and all of that, and even they are able to do that. So I don't see a reason why you wouldn't be able to do this. Right now, all that's in your mind are just limiting beliefs that is preventing you from taking this action, because it's gonna be a huge change in your life, but it's gonna be a very beautiful change, and very nice change that you'll always remember, and that you'll always thank yourself for taking the decision. So MA has been one of the most important and the best decision that I've taken. It was kind of a very bold decision on my part, because I had to leave my option of a corporate job that I got from college and get into this whole new path which I had no idea about, but I trusted in Ruta and I took this whole leap of faith, and I just trusted in myself as well. So it has been one of the best decisions that I've ever taken till now. So if you want to have that kind of a feeling about your life and that kind of a feeling about the decision that you take, you have to take action for you to see the results. So whatever the reason that maybe that is preventing you from joining MA, there is a solution, like I said. So just figure that out and join MA as soon as you can and get started on growing yourself right away, because this is the best time, guys. And this is the best time, and just make use of all of this, and trust me, you will not regret it. And it could be you after a few months coming on video and talking about your journey. I mean, that's the kind of result that you will get. I mean, I have seen testimonial videos like yourself as well, and I've dreamt of the time where I will get to come on camera and talk about my own journey, my own success journey, and here I am. So if I can do it, so can you. So definitely give it a try, and you will not regret it, for sure.